Hello, we are from Primavera, Botafogo, and we are really excited because
Spring is here!
and we would like to show you how to make this beautiful art. So you're gonna need green foam paper, washable pens, blue velvet paper, a shoebox, 2 pipe cleaners, 2 coffee filters, water in a spray bottle, nylon, and tape. So first we're gonna need to do the grass. I'm gonna draw some dots and she's going to draw the zigzag line so we can cut and stick on the shoebox. I'm gonna do some dots here and you have to draw on the dots up and down, zigzag line. Okay? So now let's cut the velvet paper to make the sky. So now let's put the rest of the sky and the grass. Good job. That our scenario is done, we can put it aside to make the butterflies and the flowers using coffee filter. So now let's draw on the coffee filter. You can make some straight lines or zigzag lines, wavy lines, as you wish. And then we're gonna spray some water to create this beautiful effect. Now let's spray the second filter to make the flower. Now that we finished, let's wait for it to dry a little bit so we can finish the butterfly and the flower. So now that the coffee filters are dry, we're gonna get the paper cleaner to make the stem of the flower and the body of the butterfly. Come here. To make the butterfly's body, we get the pipe cleaner and twist like this to make the butterfly's body, head, and antennas. Then it's done. Now let's make the flower. We get the coffee filter and wrap the paper around the pipe cleaner. Then just put a little bit of tape to stick it and you have the flower. Now it's the final step. Let's put our flower and butterfly into our scenario. So I'm gonna get it back so we can stick it with tape. The flower we put on the ground. Come here. Can you put the tape? We put the flower on the ground and stick with the tape. And the butterfly, we're gonna need the nylon string to attach it to the sky. Now your art is done. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.